Boys, I am so stoked. I am introducing my first true motocross bike. I know most of my current subscribers don't care about bike stuff, and that's fine, but I'm gonna start reaching out into the moto community and trying to gain some new viewers, because this summer was the first time I ever spent on two wheels, and I freaking love it. Dirt bikes is freaking awesome. I love it. This summer I got to ride little China bikes. Got to ride 70s, 110s, 125s, rode a 140, rode KX65, rode a 85 two-stroke, rode a 100 two-stroke, and I freaking love it. And finally, right towards the end, after season, Mooney let me ride his Pops' KX 250 something. And dude, I'm hooked. After I felt all these smaller bikes, which the two strokes were all nice bikes, but I got used to the suspension of all these smaller bikes, and you know, they kind of ride like poop. When I hopped on that 250F, it was like a game changer. Like, I've always had Yamaha Raptors, so I've always had a Raptor 700. I'm used to the power. I know how to handle the power. I got used to weight transfer, but feeling like a full-size 250F, like the suspension and it absorbing the hit from like going in the air, dude, I was hooked. So I had to get my own bike. As y'all may have seen, I got rid of the Honda, and I took that money and invested it with a good coworker of mine, Mr. Harmon at Harmon Racing here in OKC, and he hooked me up with this project. Check it out. My 2007 Yamaha YZ250F. No, it's not perfect. No, everything's not here, but it's a project. And boys, I'm stupid stoked right now. I'm so stoked. So stoked. So we'll start off with what we need. We need a swing arm, we need a chain, we need an air filter, and we need a seat. And then I noticed that we do need a brake lever and a pipe, slip-on pipe. What this bike does have is the factory connection, nice Kenda shocks, or well, I guess I'm gonna assume Kenda. I'm an idiot when it comes to bikes still, but I see Kenda right there, unless they're just Kenda guards. And these are factory connection KYB forks and nice rear shock. Got that going for me. The motor went through. It's got fresh valves, cleaned up the top end. The carburetor has been completely cleaned and rebuilt, brand new. And it's got this FMF power bomb front pipe on it. I just got to get the slip on to go with it. We've got, let's see, it's got fresh plastics on it. They're like brand new, never been rode on. Got the other two pieces right here, still in the bag. And then I've got the back pieces. Gosh, I'm so stoked. I'm so stoked. There's little bits and pieces this thing needs here and there. It needs the things I talked about. It needs, you know, the little cap and boot for the front brake. But it's got a nice little aftermarket lever. It's got the quick adjust for the clutch. Got Renthal fat bars. I'm stoked, dude. So I'm gonna make a list of everything I need. They hooked me up with letting me know that if you go on Rocky Mountain ATVMC and make an account, you can go on and basically put in your bike, and they'll show you blown out parts diagrams of everything on your bike. So when I pull up the swing arm, it's going to show a blown out diagram of every bolt that goes on it, every part number, everything, so I can make sure I get everything I need when I'm ordering from them or eBay or whatever, if I can get a deal. Guys, I'm so stoked. Y'all do not understand, like, this. I've always enjoyed like off-road vehicles, like four-wheelers, razors, go-karts, and this is my first go at dirt bikes. And boys, like, I'm telling y'all, if y'all never got a chance, if you always lived in the city or something, you never got a chance to ride anything, but you enjoy like cars or trucks, you gotta try to get you something. Get a little dirt bike, get a little four-wheeler, something, and go ride. Go ride with some homies, go borrow somebody's something. Get you a taste for it, because I'm telling y'all, it'll change you. But anyways, just thought I'd do a little video, show you guys what's up, what we got. And boys, I'm so stoked. Y'all just cannot, I just cannot even right now. This is so sick. I'm so ready to ride this thing. And dude, like, I kind of pumped the forks a little bit, dude. They're nuts. This is, I sound stupid right now, but I'm so stoked. Like, y'all don't even understand. Oh, and I need a seat. I don't know if I said that or not, but easy peasy. He hooked me up, gave me a really good deal on it. I'm probably gonna have about $500 or so and all the parts that I need to put on here, slap it all together, and hopefully get to ride it a couple times before it gets too cold this year. We'll see. But anyways, that's the introduction of my new project bike. I got me a real bike. We ain't dealing with these China bikes no more. And I've always been a Yamaha boy. I love that Yamaha blue. That's just me. I've never liked red. Honda stuff's cool. Ronda got me through a pretty good part of the championship. And I dang sure don't like that goofy green that's on them Kawasaki. So, got me a Yamaha back. I was pretty sad. I sold my Raptor, and that was my baby. That was the one that I did the most with. And I finally replaced it with another Yamaha. I'm stoked, boys. Anyways, I'm rambling. If y'all want to stay tuned on me putting this together, I'm going to do this one by the book for the most part. I'll probably slide a couple things, but I'm going to get the right bolts. I'm going to get the right gaskets, seals, bushings, all that stuff. I'm going to make sure everything is right on this bike and it's tip-top. So, if y'all want to follow along, be sure to subscribe if you're not already. If you liked me introducing this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Share if you got some homies that like putting stuff together and want to see some little putting stuff together videos. Share this to them, let them see it, have them follow along. Other than that, peace out, guys. We'll see you later.